Hello everyone, I'm Simeon Grace.
And I'm Simeonella.
And as you all know, this is Whole Africa TV.
Yes, this is Whole Africa TV.
And you know what we do on Whole Africa TV? Of course, it's a fashion tutorial TV where we unveil nice tutorials, different tutorials on how to cut and how to sew every week.
Yes, Whole Africa TV. We didn't start as a fashion channel, but here we are.
Yes, here we are today. Whole Africa TV is now an online TV where we learn how to cut and how to sew anything that has to do with fashion and style.
Yes, I want to appreciate every one of you. You've been so wonderful.
Yes, we are here to appreciate you for how far you have come with us from #1 subscriber to today.
Thank you so much for being there for us. I want to appreciate all the crew of HAC Studios NG. I want to appreciate you guys. You guys are the best.
They've kept us moving and we've gotten here today. So we are saying a very big thank you to everyone involved, our crew and all our subscribers, because we wouldn't be able to achieve this without you. So we owe you this.
Yes.
100,000 subscribers. Wow, that is fantastic. We want to say thank you, and thank you.
You made it happen and you are worth celebrating. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So, we got something from YouTube, which is for you, not just me. It is for you. And we are going to be unveiling this. Wow. Okay, this is what you have won, and this is actually for you. You have done wonderfully well. So we are going to be unveiling this together. Let us see what we have.
Yes, YouTube has not just made us proud. They have made you guys proud. And sincerely, we want to appreciate you.
And for that reason, I will be having my first Q&A, that is question and answer section on this channel. And that will be coming up in my next video. So, you're going to ask me any question whatsoever you want to ask. Just go ahead, ask me question in the comment section, and I'm going to be doing the answering in my next video. I love you all so much. 100,000 times. Thank you so much, and till I see you, bye.